before we start, let's sing first our good morning song. Put your hands together and let's sing. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, oh how do you do? I am very well, I am very well, I am very well, thank you. Good morning, K3. Are you ready to listen for today's lesson? Okay, that's great. So for today, we will be reviewing about our short U with the sound and the long U with the sound U. So let's review first about the words that has the sound. We have cut, cup, tub. Very good. Next, we have the words that has the long U sound. With the sound U. For the first word, we have cube. Next, tube. Cute. Dune. June. Shun. Mule. Huge. So for our activity this morning, we will be needing these materials. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to get your chart, the I know short and long vowel sound, and also your cards, your alphabets, your whiteboard marker, and you need to have an eraser, but I don't have, so I'm gonna have my improvised eraser. Okay, so K3, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to get all your materials and put it on your table. Are you ready? Okay, go, stand up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times up. Okay, everyone, put your things on your table as we're gonna start our activity. I know short and long vowel sounds. We have here cards, alphabets, whiteboard marker, and I have here my improvised eraser. So first, let's have the short vowel sounds. We have the word cut. Now over here we need to build it. Cut. So now let's write down the word over here. We have cut. Now let's flip it over to have the long vowel sound. the word cute. Cute. Now let's move the words and let's put letter E to complete the word. So we have k, U, t. Remember that the long U sound have letters U and E. U. One more time, we have k, U, t. Cute. Cute. Now let's write it down over here. We have k, U, t. Cute. Cute. Okay, now let's erase it. And let's put back our picture and our alphabets. Go, go, go. Put it back. Let's move to the next word. We have cub. Cub. Now let's build it over here. K. Cub. Cub. Now let's write it down over here. K. Cub. Cub. Now let's flip it for the long vowel sound. We have the word cube. Cube. Now let's move the letters. Put letter E. So we have K, U, P. One more time. K, U, P. Cube. Cube. Now let's write it down over here. K, U, P. Cube. Cube. Very good. Okay, now let's erase it. Go, 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 erase. And let's put back our picture and our alphabets. Alright. Next, we have the word tub. Tub. Now let's build it over here. We have t, b. One more time. T, b. Tub. Tub. Now let's write it over here. We have t, b. Tub. Tub. Let's flip it with a long sound, and we have the word tube. Tube. Let's move the letters. And let's put letter E for the long U sound. We have T, U, B. Tube. T, U, B. Tube. Now let's write it over here. We have T, U, B. Tube. Tube. Very good. Now let's erase it. Okay, let's clean it. And let's put our picture back in our alphabets. Go, go, go. Let's move to our next word. We have the word June. So it belongs to the long vowel sound. So we're gonna put it over here. So June. June. Now let's build it over here. We have J, U, N. Okay, let's move it. J, U, N. One more time. J, U, N. June. June. Now let's write it over here. We have J, U, N. June. June. Very good. Let's erase it. Let's keep our picture and our alphabets. Go, go, go. For our next word, we have Chun. Chun. Now let's build it over here. We have T, U, N, Chun. Let's do it again. T, U, N, Chun. Chun. Now let's write it over here. T, U, N, Chun. Chun. Very good. Now let's erase it. Let's keep our picture and our letters. Go, go, go. Okay, so let's move to our next word. We have Dune. Dune. Let's build it over here. We have D, U, N. Okay, let's read it. We have D, U, N. Dune. One more time. D, U, N. Dune. Now let's write it over here. We have D, U, N. Dune. Dune. Good job. Let's erase it. And we can keep our picture and our alphabets. Go, go, go. All right. Let's move to the next word. We have huge. Huge. Let's build it over here. We have U, Ch. Okay, let's read it. U, Ch. Huge. Huge. Now let's write it over here. U, Ch. Huge. Huge. Very good. Now let's erase it. Go, go, go. Let's erase it. Now let's put back our picture and our alphabets. Go, go. Now for the next word we have mule. Mule. Let's build it. We have M, U, L, M, U, L, mule. One more time. M, U, L, mule. Now let's write it over here. M, U, L, mule. Mule. Good job. Let's erase it. let's put the picture back and our alphabets. Go, go, go! Go, kids! Okay, let's move to the last word. We have the word mute. Mute. And over here, let's build it. We have you. Okay, let's read it. You. Mute. One more time. You. Mute. Now let's write it over here. You. Mute. Mute. Good job. Right, so for your activity this morning, I want you to open your phonics book on page number 33. Okay, what you need to do is to look at the picture and complete the word. So you will need to write the short vowel sound and the long U sound. So for example, on the first picture, the word is cub. Cub. So we already have ka. So over here we need to write So you need to write the sound Then we have b. So we have ka, b. Cub. Like that. And for our long U sound, which is the cube, you need to fill it in with the long U sound with the letters U and E. Again, we have k, U, b, cube, cube. So what I want you to do is to do the same thing. Write and U inside the box. Okay, so let's move to the second part over here. All you need to do is to circle the right word. For example, on our first picture, what is this? Is this a cube or a mule? Cube or mule? What's your answer? Correct. It is a cube. So you need to circle your answer like this. Okay? So I want you to do the same thing on the next pictures. After answering your worksheet, please ask your mom to take a picture and send it to our line group. So that is all for today. I hope you've learned something. So for now, I want you to say goodbye and see you again tomorrow.